Welcome to this video. I'm going to explain how to move, rotate and scale in objects in Blender. So there are two methods. The first one is to use these icons. The first icon is for move the object. If I click on this icon, I can move this object using this. I can move this object in this direction, in Y direction or Z direction or X direction. And I can click on this or this or this to move this object in all directions. Okay. Now the second method is to click on G. If I click on G using the mouse, I can move this object in all directions in the scene. Okay. But if I want to move this object just in one axis, Z axis or Y axis or X axis, for example, I click on X. Now this object will move just in one direction, X axis. And if I click on Y, the objects will move on Y axis. The same if I click on Z. Okay, the object will move in Z axis. Now if we want to rotate the object, we can use this icon of rotation, and we can rotate the object around Z axis like this, or around Y axis like this, all that using the mouse, or X around X axis. Okay, and I can also move this object in all directions. Okay, the second method is using click on R. If I click on R, I can rotate this object in all directions like this. If I want to rotate this object around X axis, for example, I have to click on X. If I click on X, this object will move around X axis. If I want to rotate this object around Y axis, I have to click on Y. Okay, like this. So the object will rotate around Y axis. The same for Z axis. Now we know how to move and rotate object in Blender. Now we will talk about scaling the object in Blender. We can use this icon of scale, click on it, and we can scale object in all directions or just in one direction. For example, Z direction like this, or Y directions like this, or X direction like this. So the second method is to click on S. If I click on S and using the mouse, I can scale the object, okay, like this, using the mouse. And for example, if I want to scale this object in one direction, for example X direction, I have to click on X, and now I can scale this on X direction. If I click on Y, this will scale in Y direction, and if I click on Z, this will scale on Z direction. Okay, so now we know how to move and rotate and scale an object on Blender. Next video, this is the first video to know how to use Blender, how to animate, how to create animation. This is the first video. The second video I will talk about other things, for example camera and lighting, and how to create animations and video editing, and all that I will talk about it in next videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, please, to receive news. Thank you so much.